Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so before I get started, two things I wanted to mention super quickly. Let's see, today is Monday. You are watching this on Tuesday, and then my next video won't be till Friday, which Thanksgiving is on Thursday. So now I'm gonna wish you guys an early happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Americans. And you guys are gonna be watching my next video on Black Friday, which means the LoliVefe collaboration kit will be on sale starting midnight on Black Friday, okay? So I will have all the information listed in the description below the video next on Friday and below this one. I'll try to remember to do it on this one too, so you kind of have an idea of what's coming up. If you are subscribed to LoliVefe's newsletter on their website, you will be notified the second the kits go on sale. There's two kits available, a big kit and a smaller kit. They're about 35% off, and you're gonna get an extra 10% discount using my code Kanella10. So now would be a very good time to take up that sale and get yourself something nice, give it as a gift to someone for Christmas. Now there's only 100 kits available per size, okay? That's it, no more after that. So don't delay, because as I mentioned in a previous video, the last time I had a kit with LoliVefe, it sold 100 of them, sold in less than 12 hours, okay? So if you want to make sure you're notified, sign up for their newsletter. But again, all the information will be listed in the description below and then also on Friday's video. But I don't release my videos till the afternoon, so you've already lost the whole day. So, you know, keep in mind, so just don't forget Friday, Black Friday is the sale. The other quick thing I wanted to mention is when you guys, it was about 2 weeks ago, I did the Pebeo Studio Acrylics. I did the ring pour and the Dutch pour using Pebeo's pouring medium. And there was a contest involved, and there were supposed to be 4 lucky winners. So I just heard back from the Pebeo team. There were 1,110 participants. They were super ecstatic because they've never seen such an amazing amount of people subscribe to their newsletter, which was awesome, made me feel really great. So thank you to everybody who went on the website and subscribed and, you know, put in their email and filled out the form to try and win one of the 4 prizes. So I have the names of the 4 winners, and they're all from the US. And it is, I have them written down here so I don't forget. So Nancy Alroy, I hope I'm pronouncing your names right. Nancy Alroy, Peggy Brock, Mary Catkick, and Stacy Bixler. You are the 4 winners of the Pebeo contest. So congratulations, ladies. I was told you'll get your gifts, your contest winnings, no later than mid-December, okay? All right. So that's all I wanted to say right now. I've got a couple of more videos to go live, you know, in real time. And then everything after that is going to be my stockpile videos for you guys. I have to do 22 videos, and I've done 16 so far. I've got 6 left. And then everything starting December are going to be pre-recorded videos that you guys are going to be watching. So I'm going to be MIA while I'm packing up the house, and you guys are going to get to enjoy my series of 22 videos called All About That Base, where each painting is going to have a different base color. So it's going to be a very fun series because the colors I have chosen, there's 22 colors. So there's going to be 22 different base canvases here, and you guys are just going to love them, believe me. All right, so I'm going to get started with today's painting. In the last video, you guys love the green. Oh, speaking of green, it's dry. Let me show you. I knew I wanted to show you something. Oh, and if you watched my last video, my 2 calendars that I had left have sold, so I do not have any more calendars. So just wanted to let you guys know. So here's the green piece. It is dry and it shimmers and just glows. I'm really happy with the way it dried. It's a really, really pretty green piece. So this is a 10 by 20 inch and it is available for purchase. Show you the other side. For anyone who is interested, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. Look at that. So this piece is available. The pink piece and the blue piece are also available if anyone is interested in any of those paintings. All right, so in the last video, I had a lot of comments with the yellow, and I had a few people say yellow and orange, but I went on Pinterest to look for some color palette ideas, and yellow and blue popped up. And I thought it was gorgeous with gray, so that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do yellows, but I'm gonna add some blue, okay? Now, I ran out of my Artist Loft gray that I had sitting in bottles for years. That was the last 4 paintings I did. So I had to mix new gray paint. So what I did was I mixed Titanium White by Amsterdam, and this is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And I mixed these two together to get this really nice light colored gray. So this gray is actually a smidge lighter than the grays that I was doing with the Artist Loft. Now, I had someone ask me, how much do you put of white and black? Is it 50-50? No. If you put 50% black, you're gonna end up with black. So for example, when I mixed this, I needed 55 grams of paint. So what I did was 3 grams of black and 52 grams of white. And that's how I got gray. You do not need a lot of gray at all. I'm talking like 2%, 3%, of your ratio. You don't need much, okay? Very, very little. You can always add the black in if you want it darker, but you can't take it out. Of course, you can add more white, but then you're gonna end up with so much paint, you're not gonna know what to do with it. So that is how I mixed my paints with my Floetrol and water. So I've got the gray, I've got 2 cups here because I just mixed a bunch. The colors I'm going to be using tonight, as I said, I got from Pinterest. I'm going to put the picture right here so you guys can see my color thought. Okay, so you guys don't think I'm crazy. So I'm starting off with Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then I have Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. Then this is another nice color, Pearl Golden Hour. Weird name, Pearl Golden Hour by Arteza. All right, and then this color you may have seen before. It's actually turquoise blue, or is it turquoise green? Turquoise green, sorry. It's turquoise green, but I had lightened it up with titanium white for a previous project or previous painting I had done. And this was the leftover, so I kept it, but I call it Tiffany blue. But it's actually turquoise green lightened up with titanium white. So that's that. And then topping it off, a new color from Arteza, Pearl Canary Yellow. Pearl Canary Yellow. So those are my colors, okay? And gray is my base. So this should be interesting because we all know yellow and blue makes green. So it'll be interesting to see how this blows out. But I'd be okay with green too, but we'll see what happens. So in the meantime, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, so the canvas has been flooded and the bubbles have been popped. So I'm gonna get started. Let's see. So, like I said, yellow and blue might make green. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be using the flower. Look, they match. Matching colors. Look at that. So I'm using the flower hair dryer. I'm gonna stick to my wispy on this. Let's see. The pink one, the green one I did the edges. The pink one I had done an L. The blue one, I had also done the edges. So I haven't done a wispy since I did the purple one, the black and white video I did. Kept you guys in suspense. That was a wispy. So I'm gonna do that Yeah, I'm gonna do a wispy on this. So silver, which blends in with the gray, but that's okay because I put it in for the purpose of the shimmer. All right, then we've got the, what is this, Pearl Glacier blue? Yep, this is so pretty. Pearl Glacier. Then this color I haven't used, Pearl Golden Hour. That's a nice, I don't really think it's gold, it's more yellow to me, which is one of the reasons why I like it. All right, and then, so this is shimmery, 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 not shimmery. So this is just a regular paint, but it looks gorgeous with the gray. Very nice. And then this one's new too. I haven't used this bright yellow before either. So, wow, I'm so excited to see how this is gonna blow out. Oh, gotta pop my bubbles first. All right, let's do that first. All right, so I'm gonna start and go down here into this negative space and we'll see what happens. Let's go. Wow, it's really soft, like pastel-y soft, and it's so pretty. Wow, it really is. Okay, so like I've done the purple, which was like bold and rich, and you know, the pink was bold and rich, but this one, this is so subtle and soft, and I really, really like it. Love the cells, love what's happening here. I'm gonna blow a little bit of this over here because there's so much pretty color here. I want to blow that part. Wow, you know, when this dries, you've seen all the dry results, the pink one, the blue one, now the green one. This is going to really glow, and I'm loving what's happening right here. I really like it. And you know what? It's not really green at all, I don't think. Like, I don't think it's greeny. There's the turquoise in here. Well, call it Tiffany blue, right? But I'm really, really liking it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's so girly. I definitely like it. It's definitely different from my regular pieces that are so bold and vibrant and rich. This is very soft and soothing. So I am going to touch up any edges that may need touching up with the gray, and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So don't forget, I forgot, get your stick. I've already scraped the drips on the other 3 sides, but I wanted to show you guys, don't forget to scrape your drips, okay? Do that on all sides. Do it 3 times. Give it 10 minutes in between. All right, so check out, it's just so, there we go. I had to focus there. It's so pretty. It's just so soft. But boom, that's my favorite spot. That is my favorite part, and I hope it stays there. This is really pretty on this side too. This thing is going to shine and shimmer and glow a lot because all the paints, except for the Tiffany blue, are Arteza. So it's gonna be pretty. So let's check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on. My camera is having a hard time focusing on these colors. There we go. Look at that. So this is another reason why I put in the Pebeo, the iridescent silver, because I knew the silver would make a really pretty outline. You see that? It outlines the entire piece. My camera is having a hard time focusing on these colors apparently. Look at that. That's my favorite spot. All right. Super pretty. Alrighty, so there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. And then also let me, what color do you want to see with gray next? Or are you getting sick of gray? Is there another color combination you'd like to see me do with gray? Let me know, or let me know if you don't want to see any more gray. This piece is available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. Don't forget, LoliVefe Black Friday sale kits starting on Black Friday at midnight. Don't miss out and save up to 35% off and an extra 10% off with my discount Kanella 10. So that is it. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.